What's going on, guys? I just want to do a quick video today. This is the Trek Dual Sport 2 bicycle. I just picked this up yesterday from the Trek bike store, and I'm really excited to get this out and go riding. This is the medium-sized frame in this beautiful red color. Now, this is a hybrid bike, so it's meant to be ridden like a urban commuter bike, mostly on pavement, but it also can withstand some gravel trails. It's not a full-fledged mountain bike, but it's not also a road bike. It's somewhere in between. I like this bike a lot. It's got 24 speeds. So on the left derailleur we have 3 speeds, 8 speeds. It's got hydraulic disc brakes, so these things stop on a dime. They are very quick. Right there. But it is absolutely stunning, beautiful bike from Trek. I would say the Dual Sport 2s are the most popular lineup of the Trek Dual Sports. It's about $659. The Dual Sport 1, they don't include hydraulic disc brakes. The Dual Sports 3 and 4, they have higher quality components, but the Dual Sport 2 definitely offers a lot of bang for your buck. I would say you're getting the most value on that, on the second one versus the first, third, and fourth. Everything on here is stock. So the stock sports seat, the kickstand I did get as an optional attachment. That is their Trek's standard kickstand. It was 15 bucks at the store. They did give me this mount. So this attaches here. Supposedly this bike is supposed to link up Bluetooth to your phone so you can track miles and things like that on it. So on the rear left here, you can see it's got a Bluetooth module. I haven't checked all that out yet. So I was looking at this bike or either the Marlin 6, which is a full-fledged mountain bike. However, I really don't think I will be riding on full mountain trails. This bike is nice also because you can lock out the fork. So if we twist it to this side, it locks the fork. That way it doesn't go up and down. You get full power to the front wheels. And then say you are going on some trails, you can put this to the open position, and now the suspension will compress, and that way if you're going on trails, it's not very hard on your arms. About 2 years ago, I picked up a Scott Metrics bike, and it's a similar hybrid bike. It doesn't have the lockout, so I do like that feature a lot. This bike is nice because the cables are routed inside the frame here, and that way the cables stay hidden and they can't get stuck on little branches or something that's hanging up from the trail. These wheels are 700C wheels. The tires have a good amount of tread. Like I said, hybrid bike, so it's somewhere in between a road and a mountain. They're not too beefy, but at the same time, they're not too slick either. Good all-around bike. The valves are the standard valves, not like the newer style bikes. I actually like that a lot because it's just easier to get the air pumped, say even at a gas station, or the pumps are more readily available. So that is a quick look at the 2019 Trek Dual Sport 2. I'm really excited to get this out riding. So stay tuned, subscribe for more videos. Hit that thumbs up button if you guys found the video helpful. I also have tech videos on my channel, so check those out as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one.